Almost every day, consumers are confronted with a variety of consumer frauds and scams. You find them when you're buying a car, purchasing insurance, using a credit card, shopping at the mall, making purchases online, or taking out a loan. Some scams are easy to identify and avoid. Some scams are hard to spot. You need to be able to identify all of them before it's too late. Educating yourself about fraud is the #1 defense against fraud. One of the more common types of consumer fraud is credit card fraud. Credit scams target people with high amounts of credit card debt and promise an easy way to pay down their balances. Rather than helping them, however, they simply charge the victims high fees that drive them further into debt. Advance fee loan scams targets a victim's need for an immediate loan by taking a payment up front with no intent of lending any money at all. Debt consolidation scams offer to roll all the consumer's debt into one low payment, but this is often accompanied with high fees. False advertising is another type of advertising that deceives consumers. In most cases, false advertising leads a consumer to believe that he is somehow profiting from the purchase. Some weight loss products are an example of false advertising, where the product does absolutely nothing to help the victim lose weight. Bait and switch is an illegal and unethical sales technique in which a seller lures customers by advertising an often non-existent item at a bargain price and then attempts to switch and sell you something else at a more expensive price. You may find that tactic among auto sales. A classic scam that existed for years is the win a prize scam. In this case, a company informs the victim that he or she has won a prize. Then the victim tries to claim the prize. Money must be paid to a fake company in order for you to claim it. Let's say you get a notice that you've won a super travel bargain. All you have to do is make a deposit with your credit card and select your preferred travel dates. The trouble is you never actually get your bargain trip because the travel proves to be a complete lie. Insurance fraud is deceiving an insurance company or agent in order to collect money to which you are not entitled. Some examples of insurance fraud are reporting a loss that did not happen, staging accidents, misrepresenting where you live in order to secure a lower insurance premium, including previous existing damages to a car when submitting a claim. Insurance fraud impacts all of us because it raises insurance premiums for everyone. Education is the first line of defense against fraud, scams, and deception. Don't assume it can never happen to you. Some basic customer protection tips such as building awareness, doing your research, asking questions, and getting all information in writing may prevent fiscal damages to you. Be sure you understand where you're putting your money. Don't invest in an unknown, hoping it will bring big returns. If an offer is too good to be true, it probably is. Consumer fraud has a major impact on consumers and the overall economy of the United States. Remember, anyone can become a victim. Asking questions is a sign of being a good consumer.